How to find the best Forex robots. Finding the best Forex robots involves a meticulous approach, combining research, evaluation, and a clear understanding of your own trading goals. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. To begin, it's essential to define your trading objectives and strategy. This includes determining your risk tolerance, trading style, whether it's scalping, day trading, or swing trading, and the currency pairs you prefer. This initial step will guide you in selecting a Forex robot that aligns well with your specific needs and trading preferences. The next crucial step is conducting thorough research and reading reviews from credible sources. Start by looking into various Forex robots and examining reviews on trading forums, specialized review websites, and professional analysis platforms. Pay attention to the feedback from other traders, particularly those with trading goals similar to your own. Detailed reviews and user experiences can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness and reliability of different robots. Evaluating the performance history of Forex robots is also vital. Look for robots that offer transparent performance data, including backtesting results and live trading outcomes. It's important that the performance data spans a substantial period and encompasses various market conditions. Be wary of robots that make unrealistic or overly optimistic claims about their performance, as these can often be misleading. Transparency is a key factor when assessing Forex robots. A reputable robot should clearly outline its trading strategy, algorithms, and performance metrics. Avoid robots that lack transparency or provide vague descriptions of their trading methods. Understanding how the robot operates helps you make informed decisions and assess whether it aligns with your trading strategy. Before committing to a Forex robot, it is advisable to test it using a demo account. This allows you to observe the robot's performance in real-time market conditions without risking real money. Pay close attention to the robot's responsiveness, adherence to its trading strategy, and overall performance during this trial period. Understanding the strategy and algorithms used by the Forex robot is another important consideration. Look for robots that employ well-documented and proven trading strategies, such as trend following, mean reversion, or breakout strategies. Be cautious of robots that rely on complex or obscure algorithms without providing a clear explanation of their functionality. Effective risk management is crucial for successful trading. Assess the risk management features of the Forex robot, such as stop-loss settings, risk control mechanisms, and position sizing. A robot equipped with robust risk management tools can help protect your capital and manage potential losses, which is essential for long-term trading success. Broker compatibility is another factor to consider. Ensure that the Forex robot is compatible with your preferred broker and trading platform, such as MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Compatibility issues can lead to execution problems and hinder the robot's performance, so verifying this aspect beforehand is important. Look for ongoing support and regular updates from the Forex robot provider. Reliable customer support ensures you can get assistance if issues arise, while regular updates help keep the robot aligned with changing market conditions and enhance its performance over time. Be cautious of potential scams. Avoid Forex robots that make unrealistic promises of guaranteed profits or seem too good to be true. Scams and fraudulent robots often lack transparency and credibility. Steer clear of robots that require exorbitant fees or subscriptions without providing verifiable performance evidence. Lastly, consider the cost of the Forex robot in relation to the value it offers. While free robots may seem appealing, paid options often come with additional features, better support, and proven performance. Evaluate whether the cost of the robot is justified by the benefits it provides and how well it aligns with your trading goals. When you choose a Forex robot, start by deploying it with a small amount of capital to test its performance in live trading conditions. Monitor its results closely and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence in the robot's reliability and effectiveness. By following these guidelines and avoiding common pitfalls, you can identify a Forex robot that enhances your trading strategy and aligns with your trading objectives.